Choosing the type of wallpaper that you put on in your bathroom can be very, very challenging. That is why I am here to guide you. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's again the Shesby Interiors here. Over here, we talk about everything interiors, interior decoration. I give you interior decor ideas. We do DIY projects together. We review products together. We do everything interior decoration together here. So if this is something you really don't want to watch, I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to leave a like and leave a comment. Okay, I'll be giving you a comprehensive guideline on how to make the best choice, to choose the best wallpaper that will suit your wall properly. First, you will need to consider the room purposes. We have different sections in a house. There is a living room, there's a bedroom, there's a bathroom, there's a kitchen. So these rooms serve different purposes. So you need different types of wallpapers, different colors, textures, and designs of wallpapers for these particular places. You cannot just wake up one day and put up any type of wallpaper in your apartment. It will not look nice. It will not look inviting. So that's what we're going to talk about today. The first one, your living room. Choosing the right wallpaper for your living room, you have to choose durable and stain resistant wallpapers, as well as you have to choose vibrant colors that are inviting. Mostly you have to choose colors that suits or matches your sitting room. Let's say your throw pillow it's your throw pillow is pink or red. Now, when choosing the type of wallpaper you put on your wall, you should consider the colors on your throw pillows or consider the colors on your center rugs or your curtains. You make sure that it matches any furniture or any material in your sitting room. The second one is your bedroom. Now, your bedroom, you do not need to make so much statement when choosing the wallpaper you will put on in your bedroom, because it's a place of rest. You don't want to do too much. You do not need a vibrant color. You need a calming, soothing, and comfortable color of wallpaper for your room. Then the next one is your kitchen. Now, when putting on a wallpaper on your kitchen, first of all, you don't need a vibrant or a shouty color. You need a dark color, something that will not speak immediately that it is stained. You need a water resistant, stain resistant, any resistant type of wallpaper in your kitchen, because it is your kitchen. And you know there are a lot of activities goes on in the kitchen. The kitchen gets dirty and stained easily. So we don't want to put on a wallpaper that when it gets stained, you will find it very hard to clean off. The next one is your bathroom. Putting up a wallpaper in your bathroom, choosing the type of wallpaper that you put on in your bathroom can be very, very challenging. That is why I am here to guide you. When you want to put up a wallpaper, you don't like the tiles in your bathroom again, you don't like the color of your bathroom walls again, and you want to decorate it, or you want something catchy, something that you really want. You want to change the style of the wall, and you want to put up a wallpaper. You need a wallpaper that is water resistant. First, a style, a type of wallpaper that complements your bedroom style. That is the type of wallpaper you should consider putting on your bathroom. Next thing to consider when you want to put up a wallpaper in your apartment is the condition and the texture of the wall. If your wall can either be smooth, it can either be textured, or it can either be damaged, between these three. So if your wall is smooth, you have no problem. Any type of wallpaper that you go for can easily stay on the wall without problem. But if your wall is textured, then you have to smoothen it out, or you will go for a thick type of wallpaper. You have to go for wallpaper that is very thick, so that when you put up on your wall, it will not show the texture of your wall. It will look very okay. If you put up a light normal wallpaper on a textured wall, when you put it up on your wall, the texture of the wall is going to come out. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. You are going to notice, anybody that sees it will know that this wall is not smooth. But uh, 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 um, if you put up, let's say, a flock wallpaper on a textured wall, nobody will know the texture of the wall. But if you want to put up a normal wallpaper on your wall, that means you will have to scrape your wall. You have to make sure that your wall is smooth before you can put up your wallpaper. If your wall is damaged, if there are holes, you fill it up. If there is anything that, if it's not, you make sure that everything is okay, especially when there is holes on the wall. Let's say it's not even, your wall is not even cemented at all. You have to cement it. So the best thing is to make sure that your wall is smooth before you can even think of putting up a wallpaper on your wall. Another guide is the pattern and the design of your wallpaper. Now you cannot just put up we have so many patterns. Okay, so I'm just going to use floral and stripe pattern for example. You cannot just put up floral wallpaper on your wall. You cannot just put up stripe wallpaper. Yeah. The main thing is that they might not really match safe. They might not match. That is why I also talk about color. The color of your wallpaper speaks a lot. It has a lot to do. The color of a wallpaper has a lot to do when it comes to choosing the type of wallpaper that will best suit your wall. Another thing to consider before you put up a wallpaper on your wall is if it's removable, if it is washable. These are the things to consider, especially when you are putting up the ones in your bathroom. You should consider if it's washable. If you want to put up the one in your kitchen, you should consider if it's moisture resistant. I hope with these few tips that I've given you, you should be able to make a good choice on the type of wallpaper that you put up on your wall. If this video was helpful and you learned something, I want you to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment for more tips like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.